Oh my god, guys, there's some sea lion right there. This is the first time that I may have the chance to take a picture of them. That's cool. We saw a lot of like sea lion. It's the first time that I can film them or take a picture of them. Usually they're just under the water. You get out just the head or, you know, nothing major, but that was fun. So the best part is we are camping just beside them. So we might have the chance to go see them again. We are camping just right here. Our reserve spot right there. Hi, I do have a reservation. Okay. Campsite number 3. Sounds good. Perfect. Right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you. We are right here. We can see the sea lions even better. We are a little bit far though, but oh, there's a lot. So they all on this barge right here. Try to maybe enjoy a little bit of warm. I don't know. They're quite funny. So with those sea lion making a lot of noise, I have neighbors. The 2 campsites beside me are reserved, so we're gonna have neighbors soon. And they do have I don't know if it's construction or something else. The train track was pretty close from here, so it's a little bit noisy. But it's okay. I saw some sea lions. I'm happy. I saw them before, but I never had a video or a picture. So for me, when I don't have a video or a picture of an animal, it's kind of like I saw it, but I'm a little bit disappointed. Like I want like a picture. I want something like, see, look, I saw them. I have a proof. So I have a proof today, a big proof. I'm happy. So we're gonna have a campfire tonight. I had some wood that I purchased a little while ago because I thought we were going backcountry, but it was snowing and all this, so I decided to go just campground today. Enjoy the cloudy day. So we are gonna make something on the campfire, obviously, and I do have to soak some cashew, so I'm gonna do that I put them in my fridge because because I throw all my grocery in the fridge and I came here, so. This is such a not a quiet camping site, but it's okay. We do have power. This is the first time. I don't know if it's working. I think so. This is the first time that I'm gonna plug my outlet. I don't even know the I don't remember the name. My plug on the side there that I did last summer. Two summers ago, and I didn't even touch it yet. So I'm gonna turn the van out because I only have a small extension and see if it's working. Get a little extra power. Guess I have to see on my app if I do get power. Return. Oh yeah, I can get it. 76.6. That's the percentage that I have on my van. And how much power? We're getting 110 of water power. I know it was not like a super strong one, but I didn't even use it in the 2 years that I've been that I have it. It's 130, 140. It's better than nothing. That's Chrome who had this plug and he installed a faster one on his van, and he gave me that plug and re-outfitted, and oh, it's all over the place. 15 watts. We're getting worse. I want some power. So yeah, we were at re-outfitted and they installed that plug for me. I knew that was not something that I would use. I rarely go to a campsite that has power. This one, they all have power, I think. At least the one by the ocean. So, and it was winter rate, so it was not too expensive. But yeah, whatever. We have a little extra power. Maybe left the plug all night and I'm gonna be back to 100%. That'd be awesome. When the sea lions start making noise, I'm like, is it okay? I want to make tonight, well, this afternoon. Yes, I know, I make my campfire all the time in the middle of the day. It's easier for me to film, and in the evening, I just like to watch a movie and relax in the van. So And right now nobody's here, so we're gonna enjoy a quiet-ish campground. So I do want to make cauliflower wing. So super simple. I'm just gonna make a batter for the cauliflower. So flour. Maybe I can make 2 batches if I need more. Some milk. And we're gonna put some spice too. Obviously, probably onion powder. I have thyme here. Garlic powder. All those powder. What else we have? I think I'm gonna put some chili powder. Let's make it a little spicy. Some milk, and on the other bowl I'm gonna put the panko. So I put the sauce into this little container, and I got a second batch, and I'm just dipping into the sauce. Oh, good. Alright guys, second batch. That's it after that, because I can eat that all night long. I swear, it's so good. And that cheesy sauce, spicy cheesy sauce, it's perfect. So there's only 1 hour before sunset already. So I'm gonna put a little bit more wood, enjoy that, and maybe see if Kitty want to go for a little walk before sunset. We had a lot of noise earlier, so she wasn't sure where it was. And I was like, oh, maybe later. They are still here. Alright, let's start the heater. Kitty didn't want to go outside. Oh, it's frosty a little bit. Not frosty, but foggy. It was cold outside. So, I'm glad that I make my fire and everything earlier. Beside me, there's a group. I think they are part of like the park itself. I don't know, it was the park ranger guy that put a bunch of chairs and put a bunch of like wood. So I'm gonna enjoy my little evening here in the van, warm up, probably watch a little movie, and I'll pick you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. It is a rainy, windy morning. I don't know if you can hear, but the sea lions are still here. I heard them all night. Right now it's kind of like it's got a lot of wave, but it was quieter. That's my big sea lion. Yeah, it was quiet. And we could hear them all night. They didn't stop. It's funny that I never were able to take a picture of them. I always saw a glance here and there, and now they just been here for like almost 24 hours. Yeah, you are a big sea lion too. Alright guys, so I think we need to pack because I have to leave in 1 hour here. So we're gonna pack everything and move on to another location. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and I'm gonna leave you, yeah, I have to think about that one. Leave you with Miss Kitty. Hey Kitty, are you gonna give them a kiss? Oh, you are a big sea lion. Can we have a kiss? Kitty. You touched it. That was funny. You touched the thermometer. Okay, you want to give it a little kiss? Kitty. Kitty. Hey. A little kiss. Talking to you. Talking to you. There you go. Alright, we need to clean the bed now.